Hello, my friends. Have you ever enjoyed this luxurious dish? Let us share with you the taste of this crab dish. Right now, we'll begin the journey to learn about how farmers in Asia raise and prepare delicious dishes from crabs. Crabs belong to the crustacean family Decapoda and are found in many species worldwide, including king crabs, sun crabs, and Dungeness crabs. These diverse species are commonly found in northern regions across the globe. Every year, hundreds of thousands of tons of crab are harvested, providing significant economic and nutritional benefits to communities around the world. The golden time to start crab farming is usually in spring and summer, when temperatures range from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal condition to promote rapid growth and improve crab health. Thanks to this warm temperature, crabs can molt and increase in size quickly, creating favorable conditions for the farming and development process. Starting crab farming from the growing stage, which usually lasts from a few days to a few weeks. It's the most important step. During this period, providing ideal habitat and nutritious food helps crabs grow strong and healthy. This is a great opportunity to ensure future success in crab farming. If you want to try this delicious crab flavor, please leave a comment of number 1. After about 4 to 6 weeks, crabs enter the megalopy stage from the larvae stage. This is an important time when crabs begin to be able to move and search for food confidently. This stage marks an important transition when crabs begin to explore their surroundings and interact with natural food, which is a big step forward in their development. This is the immersive period of crab development, lasting from 6 weeks to 18 months, when they transition from megalopy stage to the baby crab stage. During this period, crabs continue to move to mud ponds to continue their developmental process. This is a critical time when crabs undergo many changes in shape and size, marking an important step in their development. After about 18 months to 2 years of care, the crabs finally reach a size large enough to harvest. This is an important step in the successful crab farming process, the result of the farmer's efforts and patience. Did you see anything special? This is a popular method of raising crabs in boxes in India. Raising crabs in boxes brings many benefits to caregivers. The ease of management is a key advantage, as the controlled environment allows them to closely regulate the crab's living conditions. This not only enhances crab health and growth, but also reduces risks and increases production efficiency. When harvested, a portion of the crab is marketed and sold in consumer markets, while the remainder is transported to the processing plant. This ensures the crab is utilized to its fullest potential, from providing fresh food to consumers to producing a diverse range of crab processing products for the market. When crabs are brought into the factory, they begin their journey through the stages of selection, handling and processing to create delicious dishes such as canned crabs, crab sauce, and many other products from crab meat. Each step in this process is automated through a modern system, ensuring maximum safety and hygiene for the product before reaching consumers. Thanks to this modern technological process, crab is processed with quality and reliability. Did you know that in many areas, the overproduction of this crab has become a worrying problem? At first glance, you probably think it's just a layer of paint covering the ground, right? But in reality, it's not paint, but millions of invasive red crabs, creating a blanket around the house. With so many small crabs, surely there must be millions of mothers behind them, right? Have you ever wondered about the origin of these red crabs? Come and explore with me now. Let's go! The red crab, an invasive animal, is native to South America and was introduced to Australia in the 1980s. They commonly live in small areas of tropical forests and moist rainforests, as well as coasts and wetland areas. This is a fascinating story about the spread and interactions between species in the natural environment. Red crabs are not only fierce warriors, but also important and indispensable creatures in a diverse ecosystem. They include marine red crabs, freshwater red crabs, and mangrove red crabs, with brilliant red armor and 10 powerful claws. Among them, the 2 chellae claws are used for hunting and self-defense, creating a strong image in the animal world. Red crabs produce by laying eggs in water. Each time, they can lay thousands of eggs, creating an impressive egg carpet. After laying eggs, female red crabs take care of them and protect them from predators. Over time, the eggs hatch into small larvae, which are tiny in size and completely different in shape than adult crabs. They go through many stages of molting and developing in the water environment before becoming baby crabs. This creates a rich and diverse chain of life in the water ecosystem. With sharp front eyes, red crabs can detect and interact with their surroundings flexibly and skillfully. This helps them move, hunt, and avoid predators effectively, creating a superiority in the animal world. Every year, millions of red crabs make an impressive migration. Starting from the jungle, they have to cross kilometers to reach the coast and reproduce. However, traveling through urban areas and roads presents a dangerous challenge for red crabs. The government estimates that there are about 200 million invasive red crabs, and they're widely distributed in many parts of Australia. This situation poses many challenges in managing and controlling their spread, requiring the implementation of effective measures to confront the invasive situation and protect local species. Red crabs, with their strong invasiveness, are causing many worrying problems for Australian farmers. They cause a great deal of damage to the agricultural industry by destroying crops and chipping away at dams and canals. These challenges not only affect farmers' profits, but also increase risks to livelihoods and the agricultural environment. Red crabs not only limit their presence in agricultural areas, but also invade cities and even attack toilets. This mobility poses new challenges for both farmers and urban dwellers.